Starting around 03 October 2023, Bitgert sort of is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Brise generally has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965, which generally is genuinely huge. This certainly makes Bitgert, Brise, especially positioning at 190 in the digital money market in an especially enormous manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert explicitly be truly worth in 2023, or so they thought? Is Bitgert a truly wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Brise cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high? These especially are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, extremely further appearance how truly is Bitgert in every practical sense, wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal truly least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to basically be $0.00000034 in a really significant manner. Besides, Brise can explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.00000038, which basically is very huge. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.00000031, or so they generally thought. Bitgert value expectation September 2023, Bitgert cost in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of Brise for the September stays around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, which certainly is very huge. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.00000033, showing how Bitgert value expectation September 2023, Bitgert cost in a real sense is supposed to for the most part reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Brise for the September in every way that really matters stays around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, which explicitly is very huge. Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Bitgert could basically stretch around $0.00000037, so Bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $0.00000037, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 basically is $0.00000034 with a typical cost of $0.00000035, showing how starting around 03 October 2023, Bitgert really is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in very most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value figure December 2023. The really normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could commonly go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, exhibiting that Bitgert value estimate December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could in every practical sense go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Brise could fundamentally be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.00000038 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.00000034. For the most part further appearance how Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to generally cross in every practical sense. Normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal by and large least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $0.00000034, which truly is very critical. Bitgert by and large past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been generally diminished by 6.8% in its really current worth, which especially is very critical. Assuming we by and large look at the essentially current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, exhibiting that besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 fundamentally is $0.00000034, with a truly normal cost of $0.00000035. Showing how starting around 03 October 2023, Bitgert generally is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Bitgert especially is confronting in every practical sense tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The Brise really is down to nearly 26.57% in the very most recent 7 days, further appearance how in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitgert explicitly be fundamentally worth in 2023? The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for essentially past in every practical sense, barely any days. The coin could truly have soared areas of strength for of in any case, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment. Which really shows that in the event that we generally look at the very current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 truly is $0.00000034, with an especially normal cost of $0.00000003.